arrives at Liberty Island. France sent us a gift, a 93-meter goddess. But first, we must build her a pedestal. The challenge. 47-meter pedestal, 93 centimeters of freedom.
The PIEs arrived from France. 214 crates. Inside, 350 copper pieces of Lady Liberty.
Fort Wood, star-shaped military fort. The statue will rise from the center. This star becomes her base. Breaking ground. The foundation must be deep and strong. 93 centimeters of copper will stand here. Digging deep, 15 centimeters down to bedrock. The foundation of freedom must be unshakable.
Foundation pit complete. 40 by 40 centimeters, 15 deep. Solid bead rock below. Now we pour concrete.
Fun fact 1. Lady Liberty is a gift from France, designed by sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi to celebrate Franco-American friendship.
Rebar framework. Steel reinforcement makes concrete 10 times stronger. The statue needs unbreakable support. Rebar grid complete, like a steel skeleton inside concrete. Now pour 27,000 tons of concrete. Well, scaled down. Concrete pouring. The real foundation used 27,000 tons. This mixture of cement, sand, and gravel becomes rock solid. Spreading evenly. The foundation must be level. Any tilt and the statue leans. We're not building the leaning Lady of Liberty. Halfway. 50% of foundation concrete. Keep pouring. The base must be massive. Vibrating out air bubbles. Air pockets make concrete W-E-Eek. Every bubble must go. 80% filled. The foundation grows S-O-I-D. Soon, Lady Liberty will have firm footing. Concrete pour complete. Now we wait for it to cure, harden into solid rock. In reality, this took weeks.
Curing time. Must keep concrete moist for proper hardening. Chemical reaction makes it strong as stone.
Crack in foundation. The concrete is drying too fast on the surface. Must FIX before it spreads. Patching the crack. Extra concrete. Keep it wet. The foundation must be flawless. Foundation saved. The patch H-olds. This is why construction needs constant monitoring. Foundation complete. 40 by 40 centimeters of solid concrete. Lady Liberty has something to stand on. Pedestal begins. Granite blocks from Connecticut. 47 centimeters tall when complete. The tallest pedestal ever built for a statue. 8 centimeters. Granite from Connecticut. Gray and strong. Each block weighs tons in real life. Milestone 1. Foundation solid. The base is SET. Now we build the pedestal U. 15 centimeters. Notice the T-aper R. Kindest, wider at bottom, narrower at top. Classic pedestal design. See how Fort Wood's star shape becomes part of the base. 11 points of the star, the statue rises from history. 25 centimeters, over halfway. The pedestal is becoming a tower. Lady Liberty will stand so high. Fun fact 2, the iron skeleton inside was designed by Gustav Eiffel. Yes, the same genius who built the Eiffel Tower. Observation windows. Visitors climb up and look out across New York Harbor. 4 million people yearly. 35 centimeters. Working at H-height now. Each block must be P-perfect. No room for error. April. In 1885, money ran out. Punny ran out. Publisher Joseph Pulitzer asked our regular Americans to donate 40 centimeters. The pedestal is almost done. Just 7 more centimeters to the top. The heaviest block must go on top. The crane is straining. Come on! Up! Crane tipping! Block too heavy! Lower it! Lower it! We need more lifting power! Block and tackle. Multiple pulleys multiply our force. 4 pulleys equals 4 times the lifting power. Block placed. The pulleys worked. Simple machines, invented thousands of years ago, still saving the day. 45 centimeters. Preparing anchor bolts, the statue's iron frame will bolt directly to these. Connection points for freedom. Final blocks. The decorative cornice at top. The pedestal will be beautiful as well as strong. Pedestal complete. 47 centimeters of granite. Now Lady Liberty has her throne. Time for the statue. Milestone 2, pedestal proud. 47 centimeters of American determination. Now we install Eiffel's iron skeleton. EHA's 2, iron skeleton. Gustav Eiffel designed this. The same genius who built the Eiffel Tower. Inside the copper skin, no, iron bones. Central pylon, the statue's spine. This iron tower carries all the weight, bolting directly to the pedestal. Pylon R-izing, 5 centimeters above pedestal. The iron skeleton grows inside what will be the statue's body. 10 meters and cross bracing. Triangular shapes, the strongest form. Eiffel knew this from bridge building.
Secondary framework. These branches reach out to support the copper skin. The skeleton shapes the body.
Armature bars. Eiffel's genius, these flat bars flex. When wind blows, copper can move up to 3 inches without breaking. Fun fact 3. The statue was shipped in 350 pieces in 214 crates. The biggest 3D puzzle ever shipped across an ocean. 20 im. The TRSO framework. See how the iron spreads wider at the robes, narrower at the waist. Shoulder framework. The arms are heavy, especially the torch arm raised high. These joints must be super strong. 25 meters and the arm framework begins. The right arm will hold the torch, raised high above everything. T-arm framework. This one holds the tablet king, July 4, 1776 in Roman numerals. Lower position, easier construction. 30 meter. Upper torso, COM pleat. Now the most delicate part, the H-head and face framework. Head framework beginning. This must match the exact curves of Bartholdi's face design. Art meets e-engineering. Beam doesn't fit. The angle is wrong. This beam was manufactured in France, Now we must adapt it on site. Custom cutting. Sometimes plans meet our reality, and you adapt. Cutting a new angle right here on Liberty Island. Beam fits. Custom work saved the day. This is why you need skilled workers, not just plans. Head framework complete. You can see where the face will go. Now the crow end, and a 7 rays of freedom. Crown framework, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rays, 7 continents, 7 seas, freedom for the whole world. Torch arm rising. This arm reaches 46 meters above the pedestal, the highest point, where freedom's flame will burn. Torch framework at 93 centimeters. Full height reached. The iron skeleton is almost complete. Tablet arm complete. The iron skeleton is now finished. Full framework from pedestal to torch tip. Skeleton inspection. Every bolt, every joint, every connection. This iron frame will support Lady Liberty for centuries. Milestone 3, skeleton strong. Eiffel's iron genius stands complete. Now we dress her in copper. Phase 3, copper skin. 350 pieces of hammered copper. Each sheet only 2.4 millimeters thick, like 2 pennies. First copper, the feet. She's wearing sandals, Roman style. Riveting copper to iron armature, clang, clang. Feet complete. Notice the broken chains at her feet? Symbol of freedom from tyranny. She has stepped free. F-un-NF Act 4. The copper skin is only 2.4 millimeters thick as 2 pennies stacked. Lower robes. Bartholdi hammered each copper sheet to look like flowing fabric. Metal that looks like cloth. 5 meters of robes. See how each copper piece overlaps the next. Like shingles on a roof valve, water runs off. 10 meters of copper skin. The statue is becoming real. You can see her form emerging from the iron skeleton. 15 meters, the craftsmanship. Each fold, each drape was designed by Bartholdi, hammered by French artisans. Waist level, 18 meters of copper. The flowing robes are cinched here with a belt. Halfway up the statue body. Torso construction, a chest and back, larger curved panels. Lady Liberty is taking shape. HOLE in the copper. Shipping damage. We cannot use a panel with a HOLE powder weave. Water would get inside. Riveted patch. Cover the hole with matching copper. Rivet from inside. When oxidized, it will be invisible. Panel repaired. Patch H olds. In 20 years, when the copper turns green, no one will ever see this repair. 25 meters. Chest complete. Now preparing shoulder connections. The arms must attach perfectly. Shoulder joints. The right arm holds a heavy torch raised high. These connections must be super strong. Back complete. Lady Liberty is beautiful from every angle. 360 degrees of craftsmanship. Neck construction. The graceful curve from shoulders to head. 28 meters of statue body complete. Fun fact 5. The 7 rays on her crown represent 7 continents and 7 seas. Freedom shines across the entire world. Lower body complete. From sandaled feet to graceful neck. Now the arms and head. Left arm beginning. This arm holds the tablet. America's birthday inscribed in stone. The tablet. See the Roman numerals? July 4th, July 4th, 1776. America's birth date. Lefty arm complete. The tablet rests against her body. July 4, 1776. Independence Day, Highness. Held F.O. ever. 90% of body complete. Just the torch arm and head to go. Lady Liberty is almost finished. Milestone 4, body rising. The Copper Lady takes form. Now her most famous feature, the torch. Phase 4, the iconic features. The raised torch, the crowned HE head, the F-Ace of freedom. Right arm, the torch arm, reaching up and out. The most famous arm in history begins. Arm halfway. Each copper section must fit perfectly. At this height, every piece must be secured against wind. Arm fully extended, reaching up toward the sky. Now the torch, freedom's flame. Torch base at 90 M, almost at the top. This will hold the flame that lights the world. Flame! The flame, 93 centimeters FUL height. In 1986, the original copper flame, F-Unfact 6. The tablet reads, July 4, MDCCL, July 4, head construction. Fun fact, Bartholdi based the face on his mother. A mother's face watching over America. The F-Ace emerges, stern but K-I-N-D expression. She looks toward France, thanking them for the gift. Arm off balance. The torch arm is leaning too far out. We need counterweight, or the shoulder joint will fail. Counterweight inside the arm. Lead weights balance the torch. Physics, solving problems since forever. Balance restored. The arm sits perfectly. Counterweights hidden inside. No one will ever see them. Face complete. Determined, but welcoming. The face that greets millions of immigrants. Air construction. Classical Greek curls. Timeless beauty for timeless freedom. Crown base in place. Now the 7 rays. Freedom reaching every continent. 4 rays installed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Freedom radiates outward. 7 rays. 7 continents, 7 seas. The iconic silhouette recognized worldwide. H-head complete. Face, hair, 7-ray crown. Lady Liberty can SEE, looking toward France. Full assembly. 93 meters, 350 pieces. Lady Liberty stands. Fun fact 7. Originally shiny copper brown. The green patina took 20 years to develop. Natural protection. Final rivets. 300,000 copper rivets, each one hammered by hand. Gold leaf on the flame, 24 karat. In 1986, the original copper was replaced with this gold covering. Final polish, cleaning every surface. Lady Liberty must shine for her dedication. Milestone 5, Lady formed. 93 centimeters of freedom, complete from torch to sandals. Dedication preparation, October 28, 1886. President Cleveland will unveil. Flags everywhere. face covered with French flag. The tradition, the veil drops, and Lady Liberty revealed to the world. Crowds gathering, thousands on boats, dignitaries from France and America. History about to be made.
We will not forget that Liberty has made here her home. The moment approaches.
Storm approaching, dark clouds. The unveiling might be ruined. Do we proceed? The sun breaks through. A sunbeam on Lady Liberty. Even nature celebrates this moment. The veil drops. Lady Liberty revealed. The crowd roars. Freedom stands for all to see. The torch is lit. Liberty enlightening the world. Her flame will burn forever. Behold, Lady Liberty. 93 centimeters of freedom. A gift from France to America.
Final fun fact. 4 million visitors climb 377 steps to the crown every year, experiencing freedom up close.
The torch. Golden flame lighting the world. Symbol of hope for all who seek freedom. Her F-Ace, based on Bartholdi's mother. Welcoming the huddled masses yearning to breathe F-R-E-E. Sunset on Liberty. For over 130 years, she has watched the sun set on America and rise again each morning. Milestone 6, Liberty Eternal. She will stand forever, symbol of freedom for all humanity. Goodbye, Lady Liberty. You will welcome the world forever. Robo-engineer, signing off from Liberty Island.
The end. Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free.